Let's see what Tack Renata from FHIA has for us today.
In meeting with this new homeowner, we recognize that there's a lot of folks, especially right now in this hot real estate market, who just purchased the new home and is looking now that they're in the home to do some home remodeling and to change some things and make things better. So giving you a couple ideas and a couple tips of some things to look for so that when you're ready to make that decision, you're really educated and you're making the best decision for you and your new home. So we always start with the front entry door because it's something that obviously you use a lot coming in and out of the home, and it's something that's a real vital part of protecting your home. Does it open and close properly? Is it sealed properly? Does it allow air to come in? Does it allow moisture to come in? Is it hurricane rated? Is something really important? Do we feel safe? Do we feel secure from somebody potentially breaking in? From a cosmetic standpoint, there's some reasons to address the front door, also from some functionality and as well as hurricane protection and safety. We like to start with the front door and then walk around the perimeter to help homeowners assess what they have once we get here. So like right now, this door is a French door, which obviously swings out. Depending on what this family's planning on doing with the patio, we may suggest to change to a sliding glass door, which would give them more patio space because this takes away a few feet where you can't put furniture. We also want to recognize if there's small children in the house, because once you put in a really heavy hurricane impact door, a lot of times if the wind catches this, it's dangerous for small children that could be running behind, so we want to make sure that that's safe. These are all a couple things that we like to talk about and really get a feel for what we're trying to accomplish, and not only right now, but try to think ahead so that we're making the right decision when we make this investment. Also, it's so important, and we've stressed it in the past, how important it is to meet with a contractor and have a really good consultation, ask a lot of questions, and make sure you're getting the answers that are best for you and your family. And let's make sure that we can fit it into your budget so you can afford everything that you're trying to get done. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.